Nanggaling ako sa Chinatown. Bumili lang ako ng peanut bread. Minerienda ko after ko maglakad na malayo. And then bumili ako ng dalawang piraso ng Baguio cabbage. Isosote ko sa garlic pepper and lalagyan ko ng parsley at saka konting what you call this? Yung oyster sauce. Yun ang magiging dinner ko. But anyway, napadaan ako rito sa street na to dahil dito ako dadaan all the way up there kaysa maghagdanan ako ng napakataas at sobrang steep tapos basa dahil kakaulan lang, so medyo delikado. May chronic dizziness ako na on and off, so I'd rather take this route all the way up the hill. At anyway, tingnan mo nakita ko tong mural painting sa wall ni Bruce Lee. Diba? Ang ganda. Parang alive na alive. Dito to sa Chinatown. Yan. Konting baba lang. Kung like around the corner and then that's already Chinatown. Alright, yun lang. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Diba? Central Chinese High School. Ang linis ng daan. Tapos, ang presko ng hangin. Ang presko ng hangin, tataas ng building. At ang sarap maglakad kasi solo mo yung daan, walang traffic, walang nakahambalang sa daanan. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ako kataas. Nandito ako, ayun look. Sa pinakadulo, dulo niyan is Bay Bridge, yun. Pinakadulo Bay Bridge, tapos waterfront, dagat na yan. Tingnan mo naman ang up and down na hills. Ayan, pataas pa yan dyan. Then pababa, pataas. Diba? Ang ganda naman ng brick na na to. Presbyterian Mission House. So, nandito ako sa may kalye na to, tatawid sana ako. Tapos hindi ko nakita, biglang may dumating na kotse out of nowhere, kaya napatakbo ko ng mabilis niyan. Kasi lumingon naman ako kaliwat kanan bago ako tumawid. Ugali ko talaga yun na lumingon ng kaliwat kanan kahit nung bata pa ako hanggang ngayon. Pero that car just came out from nowhere and it surprised me. So I got startled, so I ran. But damn, I'm telling you, even if you're very cautious, it's not enough. So you better make sure that you look like closer before you cross the street, because you never know. Maraming mga driver na akala mo kanila ang daan Anyway, ito yung tinuturo ko sa likod ko, hindi makita sa front camera ko yung yung pyramid building, pero nakikita pa ng bahagya. Ayan, tinuturo ng daliri ko. Pag yung camera nakaharap, hindi siya nakikita. Bago naman tong phone ko, I don't know what's wrong. But anyway, makikita nyo pag binaliktad ko yung camera. Ayan yung camera, ayan yung pyramid building sa Trans America building. Sa all the way down there sa Financial District. Samantalang nandito lang naman yan sa likuran ko, hindi nakikita sa front camera. I don't know why. See? Diba? Anyway, ang ganda lang ng paligid dahil sariwang-sariwa ang hangin. Anyway, dyan ako dadaan dyan. Tagal naman ni Kuya nakaharang sa daan. Yan nga pala yung binili kong Chinese cabbage. Isusutay ko lang yan. That's my dinner tonight. Diba, ngayon lang ako nakaraan dito in my 30 years dito sa San Francisco. Tingnan mo, ang cute ng lumang building Walang katao-tao. Feeling ko nasa ibang bansa ako. Kahingal, up and down, up and down. Oh wow. Ang ganda talaga ng mga old building structures. Look, yung design niya Oh. Diba, ito nga ginagapangan na ng parang ivy na halaman. Diba? Stockton Street ito. Yan yung the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, isa sa pinakamahal na hotel dito. Ayun yung arko ng Chinatown. Papasok yan sa main street nila, and then ayun yung sa Mission yan, yung Salesforce Tower. Maganda yan. Sa taas niyan, merong ano yung gondola at saka botanical garden. May magandang coffee shop, yoga na place na free para sa lahat. Check it out kapag nakapunta kayo rito sa San Francisco. Ang ganda rin ng ano niya, oh. Ayan, oh. Diba? Dediretso ako dyan all the way. Ay, dito na lang kaya. Yan na yung street namin eh. Powell Street. Pababayan kami, Powell. Ang tawag dito, ang lamig, ang cool, fresh, and ang perfect ng hangin. Medyo windy na. I think it's still gonna rain because ang dark ng clouds. Ala, may rebulto dito, oh. Kakapagod pero ang sarap maglakad. Yan na ako, oh. Powell Street. And then may dadaan na cable car. Dali, magkakasalubong tayo. Isa dyan and then isa doon. O, diba? Saktong-sakto nakuha natin sa video. Nag-intertwine. Yeah, perfect. I got that on video. And then ayan na yung main street namin, pababa na yan all the way down to the very end. That's Market Street, the main street here in downtown San Francisco. Doon dagat yan, Fisherman's Wharf and the Presidio, yung malaking dating barracks ng mga soldier na ngayon ginawa na siyang Disney Museum. Ganda rin doon. I've been there 3 times. Yung Walt Disney Museum. At ang ganda talaga ng place. Para siyang Intramuros. O diba ang ganda? Meron pang ganyan na horse. I don't know what is it for. But I think it's just a post para dito sa driveway na to. Cool. And this is one of the most beautiful hotel here, the San Francisco, actually Suites, San Francisco Suites on Naville. It's just gorgeous right here, this place. Look, ay nakapatay yung may chandelier yan eh, pag nakabukas mga chandelier. At saka ayun, may chandelier, oh. Ang ganda niyan, tingnan mo yung mga salamin. Hindi nakabukas lahat ng chandelier niya ngayon eh, but that place is so beautiful. Right there. Imagine walking from top all the way down when it's wet because it's raining and your shoes is not that really good at gripping the pavement. Good luck. And when you don't have a strong knees and you carrying something, I literally, believe it or not, I saw someone like going all the way down because she slipped and she was like rolling down all the way down to the bottom of the one of these hills because look how steep it is. All the way. It could go higher and higher. It depends on which street are you on. This is my neighborhood for a very long time. I moved here. I was 20 years old. I'm 48. I just turned 48 now. I love this neighborhood. That's my favorite pizza and pasta place, Uncle Vito's. There you go. I already washed the Chinese cabbage that I bought from Chinatown a while ago. I just minced the garlic and I'm heating the pan now, and I'm gonna put extra virgin olive oil right there, and I'm gonna saute the garlic now. Smells good. There you go. I already put in the cabbage. And I'm gonna put some pepper. Pepper is really good for the body. It lowers the high blood pressure.
Return fire. I will note that this individual had several guns and large amounts of ammunition.
After an hours-long standoff on Sunday, who tried this until Wednesday. Heavy snow and gusty winds are expected to create blizzard conditions.
Ayan, it's all done. It smells so good. There it is. That's dinner. Napa cabbage and blueberry tea with sink.
February 3, ang mabibilis na sasakyan. At makailang beses na aambang-bamba pa to ng tsinelas. Ilang sasakyan ang muntik na siyang mahagip at masagasaan. Nang makarating sa mga tanod ng barangay